Hi friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts, and today I have a large stick that we cut from a tree in our front yard yesterday that was dead. And I'm going to use this big branch for a witch's broom. And I'm going to use a hula skirt that I got from the Dollar Tree, and this one is 32 by 30, so that's the larger one. So my thought is I'm going to use half of it. Don't want to hit my ceiling here, but I'm going to use half of it for the one side around. I'm going to cut that off, and I'm going to use the other half for the other side. And I'm going to attach it together with a zip tie. So let's get started. So I have my hula skirt out of the bag, and I'm just going to take it and cut it in half approximately. My scissors work here. And we'll make ourselves a little witch's broom. So here we have our half. Now maybe I'll just take that part and put that in half, and I'll start. Not sure how to do this so that I can get it in camera here. Okay, so here's the end of my big branch, and I'm going to just put this around my big branch, and I'm going to take my zip tie, and I'm going to bring it around, and I'm going to zip tie that onto there. So there we have this much. So now I'm going to need some more to go around on this side, and I'll use another zip tie as well. So I'll use this part, and for the time being I'm just going to cut this top part where they had the band around for the skirt. I'm just going to cut that part in half. And I'm going to put that part towards the bottom so I can cut that off after. So I'll line this part up to the rest of what I've got, and I'll attach that together now with another zip tie. Get it lined up here. And then we'll pull that together nice and tight. So there we have it so far. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to cut off this part, and I'll be back. So here we have it so far. This is our long broom. So now what I'm going to do here, where I put my two zip ties, I'm going to take a piece of ribbon, and this is a Halloween ribbon, and I think I got this at the Dollar Tree, probably last year. So I'm going to take that and I'm just going to lie my stick down and just make a bow tie. Just tie it up and make us just a little bow. Just like so. And then I'll cut that off there. It's a little shorter perhaps. There we go. I can dovetail my ends like so. Just folding it together and going from the folded side up to where the wire is. And that'll make your little dovetail. So here we are so far. Now I will stand this up and take a picture to show you what it looks like standing up, but that's going to be pretty cute for a witch's broom. And I think I might decorate the stick part a little bit too. So I'll be back. So in the Crafter Square section at the Dollar Tree, they have two little hanging signs, and one of them says eat, drink, and be scary. The other one says spooky greetings. So I kind of like that one. And then I picked up another set, and one says, welcome to our haunted home. And the other one says, the witch is in. So I think I like that one as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the witch is in and spooky greetings, and I'm going to attach them to my tree, and I'm going to put them up here on the top like so, and I'm going to attach it with hot glue and chenille stems. So I'm going to put a strip of hot glue across the back, and I'm going to attach my chenille stem like that right there, and then I'm going to take the rest of my stem, tie it around the branch of my broom tree. So I'll go and I'll glue this down and we'll continue. So here's my little sign, and here I have hot glued on my chenille stem, and then I just put a wee piece of ribbon across there to hopefully help hold that. So now I'm going to put it onto my broomstick. I have the one attached where it says the witch is in, and I'm going to attach this one up here somewhere. Can always adjust it after, and then just give it a good twist to hold it on. So there we have our little signs attached. So I'll go and stand it up where I can take a complete full picture of it to show you. So here's my little broomstick standing in the corner, and I think it turned out pretty cute. So here it is, all complete, and I hope that you like it, and I hope you'll give it a try. And it was just really a cheap, easy little project. All you need is a little hula skirt, a little bit of ribbon, a branch, and a couple of little signs with some little chenille stems. So there it is. So if you like this, Please like, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and always remember to be kind. Thanks for watching. Bye now.